Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you CapCut new trending AI Halloween effect that you need to try. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my CapCut application, and CapCut has just added a new effect called Halloween effect, and you can try it for free. And before I show you how we can use the effect, I'm going to show you how the Halloween effect looks like. Okay, so this is the AI Halloween effect. It's called Ghost Chase effect. And I'm going to show you guys how you can apply this effect to your photo. So you can only apply this effect to your photo and your photo will be changed to an AI video. Okay, I'm going to click on this plus icon and I'm going to choose one of my photos here. I'm going to choose this photo, this one, and I'm going to add this photo to my project, and then we can select the photo and select effect, and we can go to the AI effect right here, and then you can choose the me puppets or ghost chase and me and skeleton, pumpkin witch, or phantom mirror. And I have already used the ghost chase, so let me try another effect. I'm going to choose this phantom mirror. Okay, and then we just need to click on generate, and the AI will generate a video for us according to the photo we have added. Okay, okay guys, it's loading. We need to wait until 100% and you can minimize it and do another editing. Okay, and you can upload it to your TikTok or your Instagram. You know, it's trending. Okay, wait, it's almost done. Okay, and now the video is ready, and this is the result. And yeah, that's so cool. Okay, you just need to add your photo and apply effect to your photo, and your photo will turn into this video, this spooky video. Okay, and if you want to export it guys, just click on export and the video will be saved to your device, then you will be able to upload it to your social media. Okay guys, and that's all the CapCut new trending AI Halloween effect. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.